everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to tell you how you can customize your Windows 11 from this default desktop and make it look very attractive. It is great if you maintain the aesthetics of your system because you spend a lot of time here. So before wasting any more time, let me tell you how to make your desktop look prettier and cooler. Number one, clean your desktop. Yes, you heard me right. It means clearing all your desktop icons and shortcuts. When you place files and folders on the desktop, it makes file management a lot easier, but placing them haphazardly just creates mess. Having an organized folder or system makes everything a lot better, believe me. Number two, clear icons. Simply right click on the desktop, click View and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Now as you can see, immediately the desktop looks a lot better now. Number three, clean the taskbar. For this, the first step is to choose 4 to 5 apps that you use the most. So once you've decided, unpin all the other programs on the taskbar. Next is clean notification area. It's time to clean your notification center. Right click on the quick action button here and click edit quick actions. Choose 4, 8 or any number that is multiple of 4 just to make it look prettier. You can choose other number as well. Color palette. Either use light mode or dark mode. Once you've decided on that, it's time to pick your wallpaper. After picking an HD wallpaper that matches your color palette, apply it as your background. It's time to pick your main color scheme now. Check that! Isn't your desktop looking cooler now? For more such exciting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So Windows users, don't forget to share this video with your friends.